Let's tour some townhomes today. I'm taking you to this beautiful new construction condominium. It's gated right here. It's going to have a pool and a park. And I'm going to show you two models today. If you're looking to relocate to the metro Atlanta area, I'm the one to call. You're going to start by clicking the link in the description below to download my guide to move to metro Atlanta area. It'll help you with figuring out the process of relocation and all of that good stuff. Now, this is one of the first models I'm going to show you today. It's the larger of the two. However, both models that you will see today will have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. They both come with 2-car garages, and they're both going to be perfect for first-time home buyers. Prices are going to start from the mid 300s. And it's just a great location. It's in Stockbridge, very close to 75, quick access to the city. And this builder is offering some great incentives right now. They're giving $10,000 in closing costs with the preferred lender. And then the preferred lender is going to give you an additional 2% in closing costs. So if you add that up with the purchase price on average around $330,000, you could be getting anywhere close to $16,000 in closing costs for the purchase of these homes using the preferred lender. So if you're interested in this home or any other home on my channel, give me a call. Enjoy the tour. So here is the second townhome floor plan that they are selling in this neighborhood. It is slightly smaller, about 100 square feet less than the one we just saw. It does not have a loft upstairs. However, the bedrooms are slightly larger because of that.